Hello, my name is Andre Alvin Moore, and I would like to nominate New Direction Youth Center, located in Compton, California. New Direction Youth Center offers an after-school tutorial program as well as a summer day camp program. New Direction Youth Center offers a community outreach program where they provide free clothing, food, and personal hygiene to over 1,500 families each and every month. We also have 50 volunteers to assist us in our endeavor. New Direction Youth Center would use the $7,000 to provide more activities and needed supplies. We'll be able to buy more clothing and shoes for the children, as well as field trips to expose the children to a life outside of their community. If you would like more information, please visit us at YouTube, New Direction Youth Center, or go to our website at www.newdirectionsyc.com. Thank you.